Because learning language, this is not simple thing. This is also one big achievement. This is also big.
Yeah,
Huh.
American beggar also speak English. American beggar also speak English.
Absolutely. But if you are speaking here, you will not become beggar. You will become something in your life. This is the constitution of, to live your life, how to live your life. So the purpose of this, we need to understand, not only memorizing.
They know how to read it, and actually they don't know how to translate it.
How to translate it.
Yeah, they don't know Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, and they actually don't know what's the meaning of it.
Thank you so much for clicking this video. And today we have conducted one activity that can build our audience and our, learners to think directly into English. When it comes to speak Hindi to English translation, so here there is a one gap. When somebody is asking to you question, at that time you translate into your mind, then you give answer. So it loses your fluency. But when it comes to speak directly English to English, so there we need to do some of the activities that can boost your confidence, your directly English thinking. So that is why I'm going to invite one by one on the stage. And this is not pre-planned. I will be asking any question. The title is defined, that is about English language, the importance of English. Maybe I can derail on my topic as well, because they will give another answer. So I will be having questions regarding that answer as well. So I'm going to call Nawaz. Please give your brief introduction, just then we will be having questions.
So, hello everyone. My name is Waris Nawaz. Actually, my full name it is, and I have to give good morning. And Sir Zishan sir would actually give me a question. I will give answers of it.
Okay, very nice. Now, Mr. Nawaz, just when you came here, already your basic was complete, right? You were able to speak, you were able to talk. Now, let me know that do you think that grammar is important to speak English, and how, if it is important, so how much it is important to speak English language?
It's like 60-40 rule. Grammar is like whole body of English. And if you don't learn grammar, actually, you don't speak English, because grammar is the neve of English and foundation. This is the foundation of English. And in USA, a born and child born with they're surrounded with English, and he can speak English very well because he born there.
Yes, it is.
So in that case, grammar is not important, but in Indian case, grammar is important.
Like same thing. If we also make that kind of environment here, so upcoming generation, do you think that they can also speak English language directly?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah. We can, but in future, we can do these things, but in future, because in this type of area, in this type of cultural things, we can't do it now.
right now, right?
Because if I grow and I'll become a father, and I will teach English to my children, so that will be happen in future.
In future.
Yeah.
But yeah, everything takes time, so it will take time, right?
Yeah, it will take
So now, who gave this advice to you to learn English language? Or this is your choice, or somebody just forced? Like one person is here, I don't want to take the name, so forcefully, and he is coming here, right?
Yeah.
So this is your choice, or someone else said to you to learn English language?
It's actually my father's my father is good speaker of English, and he know English very well. But yeah, I don't tell you, but yeah, this is actually right. But my father knows English very well, but because of my grandfather and my family, he forgot English. He know English very well, and he says that in his story that he hanging around in Mazar Sharif, and when a Angrez and foreigner come,
Yes.
he speak English to them, and that's all. Yeah, my father's if my father says that you have to speak English.
Absolutely, that's fine. it is kind of, inherent quality you got from your father.
Yeah.
That is
Yes.
absolutely, that is fine. Now let me know that, how can we make English easy for you as well and for others. Right now, because for learners this is a big challenge. They are thinking that if you don't have environment, if you don't have partner to speak with someone, so in this scenario, in this case, how can we practice and how can we boost our confidence or speed, fluency, all these things?
Actually, I have a best answer for this question. That if you want to speak English and you want to learn English quickly, you have to learn how to listen English.
Yes, listening is very
Yeah, if you listen English and you are good at it, then the 50% of your way is very easy done. Yeah,
absolutely. Because that is why there is a one saying in English, a good listener becomes always good speaker. If you are good listener, absolutely you will become good speaker. That is why, but one thing, a person who doesn't have environment to speak with somebody, so how can he learn?
internet. Who doesn't know that internet is exist in 2025? That if you have internet, then you have to open YouTube and you have to listen all of the thing of English. This is very easy in this. This is in this type of century, and that's all. You have YouTube and you can do whatever you want. I say extra thing like you have, if you have YouTube, this is like a fire. You can warm yourself with fire, and also you can hurt yourself with fire. Yeah.
It based on your mentality. One more thing, you are studying in high school, right? And inshallah ta'ala you will become and whatever you want to become. Let me know that in schools we don't have environment to speak. Even in English medium school as well, students are not speaking. They can understand somehow, but they are unable to speak, right? So what kind of things just we can include in schools that students they can start speaking English, right? Because we think that you are studying in English medium school, but you don't know how to speak English. So that's very bad for you, because Hindi medium school students they know Hindi. So this is a double advantage, right? But if you are going in English medium school and you don't know English, right? So here it becomes more difficult. But right now our parents they are considering this is a good way to send our children in English medium schools. So what do you want to say here about those students or those parents as well?
Firstly, I have to say a harsh reality of schools.
Yes.
They have no perfect teachers actually. I say that some schools have best teacher, but in 57% of Indian schools they don't have this.
Yes.
Firstly, they have to summon perfect and smart teachers that can help children to study.
Yes.
Then we can talk about English, and then we can talk about any subject. This is all problem of teachers.
This is a problem of teachers.
Yeah.
Absolutely, it is some.
Yeah, I have to say one thing more, that if you have best teacher and you can make environment by yourself.
Absolutely, because teachers and they have all these things. Yeah. Because all the systems it is in their hand. If they are if they are compelling students, you have to speak anyhow in school. You cannot speak Hindi. So one more thing, in schools we are learning English as a subject.
Yeah.
What do you think about it? So should we learn as a language, then we can become
Firstly,
smart?
Yeah, it's not all about English. It's about Hindi also. If we know Hindi, then why we have to learn Hindi by grammar? I know that it's important to learn that Sandhi and Sandhi which is like any other thing. I don't remember this. Yeah. Firstly, English is a language, not a subject.
Yes.
You have to understand this. Yeah. This is a not subject actually. This is a language, and you have to teach him like a language.
Absolutely. Then we can become easily smart.
Yeah.
Because the system of India and education system, we are saying that English is very important and every child must learn this. But you are teaching in school as a language, a subject. So how can children learn this? So teach it initially as a language, then they are able to speak. Automatically they can translate all the chapters and all the, all these things.
Yeah, why not?
By themselves.
I have to say
Absolutely.
one example more. If you know Arabic, mostly if don't know in India, there is no one who say that Arabic. I know Arabic very good, but in this situation they know how to read it, and actually they don't know how to translate
How to translate it.
Yeah, they don't know Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, and they actually don't know what's the mean of it. So what?
That is
what
not
the-
good.
Yeah, this is not
Absolutely. Here I would like to say only one thing. When Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away from this world, so at that time 1 lakh companions, 1 lakh companions, right? And only 50 to 100 Sahaba companions, they were Hafiz. 50 to 100 and 1 lakh companions. But all of them, when a person is going, so people were saying that the Islam is going. They are not saying a person is going. They were saying that Islam is going. Islam ja raha hai. Islam inangi. But right now, a Hafiz, he is kind of only ratification. That is why, kullun Hafizun jahilun. All the Hafiz are considered as illiterate, because this is the reality. Only you are only reading. The Quran did not came only to read,
Yeah.
to recite only.
But-
The purpose, this is the constitution of Muslim, not only for Muslim. The Quran came for all human being. This is the constitution of, to live your life, how to live your life. So the purpose of this, we need to understand, not only memorizing. So I don't want to go as a religiously, but you mentioned that in India, if we want to develop our country, so we need to, just build our education system, and especially English is so important nowadays, and that is why, because English is an international language, and when a child is speaking, so he is considered so much smart, no matter he is gadha, but it is considered.
Yeah.
Or this is not only one thing, because if you are speaking English, it means you are smart.
This is right.
In America can be not smart, but here if you are speaking English, because learning language, this is not simple thing. This is also one big achievement. This is also
American-
big.
Yeah,
Huh.
American beggar also speak English. American beggar also speak English.
Absolutely. But if you are speaking here, you will not become beggar. You will become something in your life. Absolutely. Because learning any language, that's a big achievement. So, Mr. Nawaz, and he spoke very well. Now, good. Clap for Mr. Nawaz. Now, I'm going to invite the next person.